Hi, this is Len David Hart. What I'm doing here is I just got done doing this base flashing and counter flashing on this job, and now I'm working on, we tore this apart and fixed it. We had rot down here. What happened was the water was leaking behind the wash. You know, the wash is the tapered mortar that's on top of all the masonry work itself. So what I did was I put this band on here, 2x4 band, and then I capped it with aluminum. Now I got this piece cut in. I don't know if you can see this one out with the sun. Got this piece cut in. I scribed it in up top. Got a line here. I got a line down here. My plan is to put these down. I'm going to put this piece on top. I'm going to lay it right up on top of here. Then I'm going to use the same marks I have here, and I'm going to try to make a raised seam panel. And the only thing I'll be caulking is up here. All right, we'll see how it works out. This is Len David Hart. I appreciate your time. Thank you.